So today we're going to do some science, aren't we, Dakoda?
Yeah.
What are we going to make today?
Some eruptions with baking soda, some food colouring, and vinegar.
In a bottle of water. So we have
Yeah.
vinegar inside the water bottle. Okay, so we're going to add the food colouring. Oh, Dakoda's picked green. So she's going to do green food colouring for hers. So just a little bit, that's right. Okay, so the next one is bicarb soda. So we're going to put the funnel in the bottle, and then we're going to scoop some bicarb soda and put that into the funnel, into the bottle of vinegar. It's all right, just do a little bit at a time, that's okay.
You gotta do it all. Pour it in.
So pour it in.
Quickly, move.
Move back. Oh, wow, look at that. And look at the colour. The colour got so much brighter. Wow. Just exploded straight away. All right, so we've picked a different colour this time. So we have red now, and we've also cut the top of the bottle off to see if this one goes a lot bigger than what we had last time. All right, Dakoda, let's do it. Whoa, that's a big scoop. So put it in and stand back. Oh, that one went so much better.
Uh-oh. What we're going to do is a sandwich eruption.
Okay, so what we need for this one is a sandwich-sized Ziploc bag, some white vinegar, 1 or 2 colours of food colouring, also just a toilet roll, and then we have our bicarb soda. So Dakoda's going to do the steps of what we need to do to make this happen.
So first you get the paper bag.
Plastic bag, sandwich bag. So we open it up. Okay, and then we're going to open the vinegar. Okay, so we're going to add the vinegar in. A little bit more. How much?
Keep on.
Yep, so about a quarter way up on the bags is what we put the vinegar. Then we're going to add the food colouring. Dakoda's chose 2 colours, so red and blue this time. Picture glasses. A little bit big, aren't they? Okay, so maybe let's just switch it around and see what colour we're going to get first before we add anything else.
We got some.
Okay, so what are we going to do next? We're going to open the bag up a bit more. So we're going to rip off 2 little squares of toilet paper. Make sure those 2 squares are joined together, not separate. We're going to place it down on the table. We're going to add a little bit of bicarb soda. Just a little bit in the middle. Maybe a little bit more towards the middle there, Dakoda. So then we can wrap it up a little bit more. So we're just going to put it a little bit more in the middle. So there's a little bit showing there on the edges. Okay, so now we're going to wrap it up into a little ball. Let's try and keep it inside the toilet paper. Fold all the little corners in until we make a ball. Okay, so now is what we're going to do is I'm going to help Dakoda. So you need a mum or a dad or a brother or a sister to help you. And we're going to try and hold that bit at the top without it going through to the bottom. And then we're going to try and zip up this top. Help me, Dakoda. Help do those ones. Make sure it's all done up properly. As you will see, it's just sitting at the top there. It hasn't hit any of the vinegar yet. And then next, Dakoda's going to drop it in. Do you see it? It's fizzing up and it looks like it's going to burst. Oh, it's going to burst. So make sure you do this outside, not inside. Okay, so here it goes. It's going to burst. Oh, it just burst everywhere. So we all know that you've seen this trick before, but we have actually never done it. We've seen it, but never done it ourselves. So today is the day. All right, Dakoda, let's do it. So we're gonna
2, 1.
add the Mentos. Okay, so we're gonna try this one now. So we're gonna add the Mentos in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a big one.
That bursted out of my hand.
Oh, Dakota just added 2. Oh! Okay, so today we're doing another experiment and we got this one from Kmart. So Dakota's going to show you how to do it. Plaster mixture, which we're going to put into the bowl, which Dakota's doing right now. And then we also have some water that we have to add. And then we will add the volcano mixture into the plastic. So we're going to add the water. Okay, now Dakota is going to get dirty with her hands. Oh, does it feel slimy?
Yeah. Slimy.
Oh, so messy. Mixed all of it up, and now we're going to add it into the mold. So again, I think this one's for an outside, not an indoor experiment, as it's a bit too messy. Okay, so now we're going to leave it overnight so it hardens up and it's ready to do the next step.
A volcano and it is ready out of the mold.
So what are we pouring in there now, Dakota?
Some baking soda.
That's right. And then we have some little rocks in the top as well, which came in the box with the product.
I'm going to pump it in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there it goes. It's a volcano. Wow, Dakoda, that's so cool.
Whoa.
It's still fizzing. And she's still pumping it. Wow.